Today, let's take a look at the production process in the noodle factory. After the workers change into their work uniforms each day, they must strictly follow the procedure to wash, disinfect, and sterilize their hands. Before officially starting production, the raw material, flour, is transported through pipes, connected to the flour storage tank, where it is sucked into the factory by suction, without coming into contact with the outside. The smart equipment will mix the flour, water, salt, and other ingredients evenly, according to the set proportions. The well-mixed dough is then poured onto a conveyor belt and transported by the conveyance system to the dough press. Under the repeated squeezing of the machine, the originally scattered dough pieces are pressed into a single block of dough. With the coordination of the dough presses in this row, the dough sheet becomes thinner and thinner until it is only 1 millimeter thick. It is then cut into evenly sized noodle strands by rollers and cutters. Every 5 meters, the strands are cut, and a steel pipe picks them up from the center. At this point, the noodles resemble little waterfalls, neatly and orderly transported to our drying workshop. Under the continuous blowing of several large fans, these silky smooth noodles quickly lose moisture and turn into dried noodles. The dried noodles are then transported by conveyor belt to the cutting workshop, where they are cut into small sections according to the production specifications. Next, they are sent to the sorting machine, where vibrating screens remove broken noodles and those of uneven lengths. Finally, in the packaging workshop, the noodles are packaged according to different specifications, and they are ready for shipment.